Hey, hey, here's how to add a blog post to this page. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to log into your site and let me know if you need your login credentials again. And then you're going to come into posts right here. You're going to click on add new if it's a new one. If you want to edit one that's already in there, I'll actually show you how to do that first. You can just come into all posts. And then I think you said you wanted to change the picture of this. So we'll come in here and click on edit. And that is what's called the featured image of a blog post. So whatever you set as the featured image will show as the main thumbnail image for that post on your blog page. So that can be found by scrolling down and coming here. So you can click remove, and then you're going to set it, and you're going to do this for a new blog post as well. And you can either choose from an image that's already been uploaded to your media library, or you can upload an entirely new image from your computer. Once you upload it, it will go to your media library, and you can, these are all photos that I've uploaded in the past. So you can choose, say for instance, you wanted to use this one. So you just click on it and then you click set featured image and then make sure you update the post. And then we'll go back to your blog page and refresh it. And you'll see it's going, something to keep in mind, it's going to crop these automatically so that over time they're all formatted the same way and it looks nice and clean on here. So it might get cropped kind of funky, but once you click on it, it should show, whoop, I'll fix that so it can show your whole image. I thought it did that automatically. Or if you want to add an image inside your blog post, you can do that as well. And you can come back in here, go to edit, say you want to add that image after this first paragraph. You're just going to put your cursor there. You're going to click on add media. Find that image. And it'll give you some options over here. You can choose to align it in the middle of all the text and have the text kind of stay around it. You can inline it, left, center, right. None will just be, the text will kind of go up to it, I think. But play around with these. I mean, you can't do any harm in here. Link to is, that's asking you what's going to happen when someone clicks on the image, and you can say nothing will happen. I don't want it to be a link. You can say it'll attach to the, I usually keep it on this one. It'll just open it up and show the full image. The attachment page will open it in kind of like a WordPress formatted page. I don't usually suggest that one. Or a custom URL that you can link it to, say you want to link it to someone's website or a separate website. You can do that. You can link an image to anything you want, and you would punch in that hyperlink here. So I usually just keep this set on media file. And the last thing, you can choose the image size. You might want to keep it full size unless it's a huge photo. Maybe you want it to be large. We'll go ahead and make this left align for fun. And I actually want to put this at the top of the post, so I'm going to cut it, paste it, and then update again. Refresh this, and it'll be left aligned. So see, it's kind of big. So you can play around with it. Maybe we'll do a smaller image. We'll do the medium one. Update. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so that's a little bit of how to update a post. Same rules go for adding a new post, except you're just going to start by going to login posts, click on add new. You're going to give it a title, and then you're going to write your blog post right in here. These are some formatting options that you can use. If you want to make something bold, select it, click bold. If you want to add a link, you would click link, add, copy and paste that URL in there, open it in a new tab. I usually recommend doing that, and it'll add that for you. And then you can set that featured image. I would recommend doing that every single time. We'll just, whoops. We'll just click on a new image here. And then publish. Don't worry, I'll take this off right away. So if we go back to your blog page, this page will automatically update with any posts that you publish. So that's that. If you want to trash something, you just come back into the editor and click move to trash. You can also schedule posts, Amy, if you want to, say you have an idea for like, say you've got like 3 different post ideas and you want to spread them out a little bit, you can actually schedule them. Or if you're not done with a post, you're not done writing it, you can save it as a draft and come back to it, and it won't be published on the site just yet. If you want to schedule it though, see where it says published on? I've already published this, but you can set this for a future date and it will schedule it and post it for you. You can backtrack it, although I'm not quite sure why you'd want to do that, but that's where you would do that. I'm going to go ahead and trash this. So that's how to add and edit your posts.